Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language in OBS Studio. This is super useful if you want to use OBS in your native language or if you're more comfortable working in a different language than the default. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to have your OBS application open on your computer. Once you have it running and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. This is where all of OBS Studio's configuration options are stored, including the language settings we're about to adjust. When the Settings window opens, you'll immediately notice the Language section right at the top of the General tab. This makes it incredibly convenient since you don't have to dig through multiple menus to find what you're looking for. Right beside the language label, you'll see a drop-down menu showing your current language setting. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available language options. OBS Studio supports a wide variety of languages, so scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Whether you want Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or any other supported language, simply click on it to make your selection. After you've selected your desired language, look down to the bottom right corner of the settings window. You'll see two buttons there, Apply and OK. First, click the Apply button to save your language selection. This ensures that your changes are registered in the system. Then click OK to close the settings window. These two steps confirm that your new language preference has been properly saved. Now here's an important part. OBS Studio needs to be restarted for the language change to take full effect. As soon as you click OK, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen asking if you want to restart OBS to apply the changes. Simply click Yes on this confirmation dialog. OBS will then close and reopen automatically with your newly selected language applied throughout the entire interface. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in OBS Studio, and now you can work with the software in whichever language you're most comfortable with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.